beautiful people, let's get right to it. So you're going to need 1 chicken breast. You're going to need some milk. It doesn't matter if it's whole milk, heavy whipping cream. Here I have cream of chicken and cream of mushroom only because I forgot the one that's in 1 can. Cream of chicken, green peas, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika and red pepper, or if you have Cajun seasoning that can substitute, oregano, some chopped potatoes, carrots, celery, and onion. Crock pot ready, and we're going to take the chicken that we had diced up and we're going to throw all of that in there. Next, we're going to get all of the vegetables except for the frozen peas, and we're going to dump that in there. The peas will be for later. Throw in all of the seasonings. In the description below, I'll put the measurements. You're going to throw in the 22-ounce cream of chicken. Then you're going to add in half of each of the small cans. So half of the cream of mushroom and half of the cream of chicken. But if you have the Campbell's cream of mushroom and cream of chicken that comes in 1 can, you can use that instead. That's what I usually use, but I didn't have that. Then you're going to throw in the whole milk and heavy whipping cream, and I just had it in 1 separate container because I had measured it out. Then you're going to stir all of that in together. Put on the lid. Make sure it's on there securely. I struggled a little bit because I don't know how to use this lid. I apologize. Then you're going to go ahead and put it on high heat, and it's going to simmer for 3 hours. Once that's done, you're going to put the green peas in. I use the whole bag, but if you don't like green peas, you can always use any alternative, or you can use less. You're going to mix that all together.
Look how good that looks.
Then you're going to let that sit for about 10-15 minutes. And there you go. Everything is all done, and it's delicious and a good way to end a long day. Please subscribe, and thank you so much for your time.